Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Today the blockchain economy conference was awesome. We just went swimming with the team at the beach, all the MCRT team, which was epic. Some of them, a lot of them still international, but this is like the core team that came for the conference. We had an amazing time, amazing conference. Tomorrow we'll be at the next one. Mario, what's the conference that will be tomorrow? What's the conference tomorrow? Crypto Expo Dubai. You can come visit us in there as well, and it's going to be epic. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button across all socials, including Crypto Guru and Magicraft. It's something like 500,000 people, so we're talking 500,000 people, which is beautiful. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke out of that red downtrend line. Now we're waiting a retest, and then I expect, usually when you break a big downtrend like that with volume that's been going back 1 year, that's a very bullish sign. So let's see what happens with Bitcoin. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. We had this big break of this downtrend line that started in November 2021. I called the day of the top there, and we've been heading down from 69,000 all the way up here, stopping at 46,000, breaking down to down here now, sitting at 19, or sitting just above 20,000. Big congratulations to all of you, back above 20. We broke out, and we broke out with volume. That's the key. We broke this red downtrend line. That's the first time we've broke this red downtrend line all year. So this is a big moment for Bitcoin, huge one. And my trade is still active. Oh, look at that. It actually wicked out and just turned off that trade from last video. On the 4 hourly, the stochastic is heading up. On the daily, it's overbought. On 4 hourly, it's heading up. On hourly, it's oversold. Look at that. It wicked out and just touched the stop loss. Unfortunate. It came down. My stop loss was at 19,800. The stop, and it wicked down to 19,757. But that's why you use stop losses, because it's not about winning every trade. It's protecting your capital, never risking more than 2%. So that trade is out, but that's okay because we only lost 2% because we don't risk more than 2%. I would reopen this trade going long. Stop loss below the monthly support. You can wait till Bitcoin comes down, but that was an early bounce, which is interesting. Normally you could wait for a retest at 19,300 to go long, but it didn't actually come down that much, and it turned to head up with volume, which is interesting. I would be going long here. This is the trade that I would take over on Bybit. I would take a bigger trade here. So let's go into the 15-minute. Overbought on the 15-minute, wicked, pulled back. I would open the trade here on this support. Stop loss underneath the monthly, and take profit at the blue 200 weekly moving average. So I'd be risking $625 to make $3,400. With 10x leverage, I'd make $34,000 of profits. That's the trade that I would take now on Bitcoin. What I think is going to happen is we break out here. It's also bull flagging. We're seeing a bull flag forming here, which is bullish. To get a big movement, you'd move the distance of the pole, this distance here. Actually, the distance of the pole is quite big. It's this distance here. So what we could expect is quite a big movement for Bitcoin. So waiting to open the trade might not be the smartest idea, but I do think it will pull back. And that would be going to 20,700, which will be beautiful. Let's see how it plays out. I'll be going long here. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you can trade on Bybit, and pay attention to Bybit because there is exciting news coming up as well. I'll be trading on Bybit. Go down below. So under the video, if you go down below, I trade on this exchange. You can sign up to Bybit, get a $4,450 sign-up bonus in the description down below. If you go down, you click that link and sign up, $4,450. You can trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it is one of the best exchanges for trading Bitcoin and alts because it has high liquidity. So that's what will be happening on Bitcoin. Let's check the rest of the market. Let's look at the overall crypto market. See, 922 billion. We're up 22 billion, which is beautiful. It's also bull flagging. I would be going long. I expect the target to be here, the downtrend line, 940 billion. So about 20 billion coming to the markets. It's looking quite bullish to go to 940. And then once we go to 940 billion, let's see what happens. But it looks like short-term pump in the markets, which is beautiful. Let's look at the total, the stock markets as well. The Nasdaq. Let's see what the Nasdaq. It's slightly down today, 1%. Also double bottom on the Nasdaq, everyone. Double bottom on the Nasdaq. Look at that. Bounce here and then bounce here, double bottom. So I'd be going long here on the Nasdaq, targeting also this resistance. Interesting. Nasdaq targeting the red downtrend line. So I'd actually be targeting on the Nasdaq this line here, 12,500. 12,425. So about 1,400 pump in the Nasdaq is going to be expected. So the stock market looks like they will be heading up as well, which is beautiful. We've got a confirmed double bottom bounce, which is beautiful. Look at that bounce. Very nice. And pay attention to MCRT. It will be listing on Huobi exchange tomorrow. MCRT will be listing on Huobi on the 6th of October. So this is a big news. You can get MCRT. It's currently sitting right now down 3% today. 3.4%. It's sitting at 0.012, so 1 cent, a little bit above. Ranked 602. Market cap 19.5 million. Volume up 82% today. 815,000 worth of volume, which is quite a lot of volume. In the last 3 months, up quite a bit, but very strong. And you can actually stake your MagicCraft MCRT at app.magiccraft. 520 million MCRT is staked. That's 1/3 of the supply is currently staked with 25% APR, different staking lockup periods, which is beautiful. And you can get MCRT on these different exchanges in the description down below. On PancakeSwap, BitGet, Bitmart, MEXC, different exchanges available. And we're at the exchange, so tomorrow we will be listing on Huobi, which is beautiful. We'll be listing MCRT. MCRT was also the most traded Phantom token in the last 7 days, beating all others, which is huge. $4 million worth of volume in the last 7 days. This is some of our team at the event today. This is the team yesterday at dinner as well, all the MCRT team. I was live talking about MagicCraft today on stage, which was epic. So I was on stage today talking about MCRT to the huge event, and it's live on the YouTube channel as well. It was an awesome speech, talking to a lot of people, it was an amazing speech. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Follow MCRT, and tomorrow we will be listing on Huobi exchange, which is epic. Now I'm going to go have dinner with the amazing MagicCraft team, and they're all beautiful people. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.